Workplace rights for survivors. If you live in Oregon and you are a victim of domestic violence, sexual assault, harassment, or stalking, you have important workplace rights that can help you stay safe at work and keep your job. First, your employer cannot discriminate against you, which means treat you differently than your coworkers because you are a victim. You may have experienced unlawful discrimination if your supervisor threatens to fire you if you don't get a restraining order, threatens to fire or suspend you because your abuser won't stop harassing you at work, or fires you or reduces your hours after you ask for time off to apply for a restraining order. Second, your employer must provide you with reasonable safety accommodations. A safety accommodation is a change in a workplace rule or a job requirement that will help you stay safe at work. Here are some common examples of safety accommodations. A change in your work schedule, requesting that a coworker escort you to your car at night, or installing lights in the parking lot at work. If you request a safety accommodation, your employer can ask for proof that you are a victim. You can use a police report, restraining order, or a letter from a counselor, doctor, or victim advocate as proof. Your employer can only refuse your request for safety accommodation if it would create an undue hardship for them. Basically, what this means is, if your request is unreasonable or very expensive, your employer doesn't have to grant it. However, even if your initial request is denied, your employer still has to offer other solutions to help you stay safe. Finally, if you work for an employer with 6 or more employees, you can take time off from work to attend to safety-related matters. You can ask for time off to work with police, apply for a restraining order, or attend a court hearing related to the abuse, obtain medical treatment or counseling for yourself or your child for your abuse, get help from a victim advocate or a lawyer, or move to a safer home or make your current home safer. It's best to make your request for time off as soon as possible. If you get paid leave at your job, you can use this paid leave to cover your time off. Again, your employer can only refuse your request if it would create an undue hardship for them. For example, if you are the only employee at a company and you request a week off to move and get a restraining order, this might create an undue hardship for your boss. If your employer is not following these laws, you may want to talk to an attorney. If you can afford an attorney but don't know how to find one, you can call the Oregon State Bar Lawyer Referral Service at 503-684-3763 or 1-800-452-7636. If you can't afford an attorney, your local legal aid office may be able to help you for free. You can go to OregonLawHelp.org to find the legal aid office closest to you.